target the calves with a massage gun. First, if you're non-working hand, you want to support the leg by the ankle and hold it in place. Then apply your massage gun. I'm using the horseshoe piece because the two heads of the horseshoe work the two bellies of the gastrocnemius muscle. That's the most superficial muscle of the calf. And we go up and down. There's a difference between warm-up and cool-down. Check out those videos if you haven't by now to learn more. And now we're going to use a different technique where we use both the thumb and the fingers at 90 degrees to kind of control where we are on the calf, making sure that we don't slip off, especially important as we're near the bone. So you change the angle of the massage gun, it's going to change the sensation of how the person is feeling it. Make sure you like this video if you're enjoying the content and find value in it so far. Now we get the medial aspect of the inner part of the calf, and we go up and down, and we also turn the leg out and we hit the outer aspect. Just avoid the bone when we're on the outside of the ankle, and then we continue up and down, pausing in places where it needs the pause. And now we repeat the technique on the other leg. So we're gonna, same thing, protect with the hand at 90 degrees. Non-working hand always protects, and you go up and down the belly of the muscle. Always get the thick meaty parts. Avoid like the thin tendon parts that are really close to the bone, and avoid the bone altogether as you're doing this. Those are things that you should know to remain safe. Watch other videos that'll really go into the safety techniques for more. As the muscle relaxes, the other person will begin to relax as well, and you'll notice a difference, and then you can stretch after this. And if you don't know how to stretch, I have a video for that as well. Hope you're enjoying this. Subscribe for more helpful videos.